Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let us discuss about Elementor form and we'll see what we can make it and how we can make it. Go to the page, you need to add the page, search for form. And here is an Elementor form. Drop it there. Once you have dropped it, you'll find that we have here the form name. You can name your form. Like for example, you can put this one, contact us, contact us form. Then here you can see there that we have here the label. The label is this one on top. So once we remove it, it will go off. Put it, it will come on. Then the place holder, which is this one. So now here you can hide. I mean, you can ask the necessity. For example, you can require like this one. Put it to the form to required or not required. The field required or not required. This one here. You can still change the size of the form based on the percentage you need it to display. Maybe you need to display them like 3 3. You can still divide them and you display them according to the way you feel like. And this is how you can display it up to 100. By default, it's already 100. So advanced, you can set the value, the ID of the form. Then here the shortcode. This is the shortcode you can use for creating this widget of the name. Assuming you're using the HTML for creating forms, you can use this one here. So the same implies to email, but now here, the text we have here, the type we have here, the text, we have the email, we have the text area, large one like this. We have URL, for example, you're adding your website. We have telephone, you're adding the contact. Yeah, the radios you can add, for example, you can check between yes and no. You can select each. This is what we mean by radius. You can select each of this. I hope you have encountered that. Then you can have select end of this. You can have the checkboxes. Select the ones you want. You have use the checkboxes. We have acceptance. Somebody accept like I dash 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 agree in the end. We have number in the case you want to use the numbers. You have date, assuming you hear the date. You have time, assuming you need to add the time. We have here to upload a file. You click here, then you can upload the file. That option is also there. We have password. You can set the password. We have HTML if you need to add the text here, like the title of the page. We have hidden. You can hide it. The recaptcha. I have a video showing how you can add the recaptcha. The difference between the recaptcha and the recaptcha v3. Also have that video. Handspot is also there. Steps by step, I have a video created how to show you how to create a step by step form in Elementor. So you can check that and you learn. Now these ones here, you can even drag them and bring them, take the other one to the other side according to how you wish to display your form. You can, like now for example, the labels, you can hide them at once. You can show them, hide them at once. You can even add like a required mark to show that this part here is mandatory. You can add that part too. Here you come to a button, you can set the button to the width you need. If you need it to 100, still you can set it. And you can set it to which side do you need it to look be. How big do you need it to look like? How large do you need it to look like? You can set it to full side. left, center, right, justified. So you can, this is next, previous, send. If you need to change this text here, like for example, submit, you click there, the button ID in case you have it. Then the actions after, you can either collect submission for this form, uh, redirect to a new page, active campaign, convert. This one, all these ones you can set. You can click this, then it shows a pop-up. That is also possible. Emails, you can set this. This is the email to receive. All these settings are here. So that's how you can, now here you can come and style your pop-up, I mean your form, depending on the way you feel it, you need it to look like. Please let me know if this video